Have you ever wondered what makes a smartwatch truly ultra? Is it the design, the durability, the features, or something more? As we step into 2025, Samsung is about to redefine what a high-end smartwatch should be with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And trust me, this one's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. A decade ago, when Samsung first entered the smartwatch game, few could have predicted just how far these wrist-worn devices would come. From basic notifications and step tracking to advanced health sensors and military-grade durability, Samsung has continuously pushed the boundaries of innovation. Now, the Ultra 2 aims to take that legacy even further, building on the foundation of its predecessor while introducing cutting-edge enhancements that will make even the most seasoned smartwatch users take notice. So, what makes the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 stand out? Let's start with the design. If you like the robust and premium look of the original Ultra, you're in for a treat. The Ultra 2 retains the fan-favorite 48mm size, offering a larger display without feeling cumbersome. Crafted from titanium and protected by sapphire glass, this smartwatch isn't just about looking good, it's built to endure the toughest conditions. Whether you're trekking through rugged mountains or diving into open waters, the Ultra 2 is designed to withstand it all. And for those who love personalization, Samsung is rumored to introduce new color options and interchangeable strap designs, allowing users to tailor the watch to their individual style. Durability is a crucial factor for any premium smartwatch, and Samsung knows this well. The Ultra 2 is expected to include MIL-STD 810H certification, meaning it can handle extreme temperatures, shocks, and even high-altitude conditions. But perhaps the most impressive upgrade is its water resistance, pushing up to 100 meters, making it an ideal companion for swimmers, divers, and outdoor adventurers alike. Now, let's talk about the display, because what's a premium smartwatch without a jaw-dropping screen? Samsung is rumored to introduce an even brighter and more vibrant AMOLED panel, perfect for outdoor visibility. If you've ever struggled to read your smartwatch screen under direct sunlight, this upgrade alone will be a game-changer. But it's not just about brightness. The inclusion of LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, technology means the Ultra 2 will dynamically adjust its refresh rate, ensuring a balance between smooth performance and extended battery life. Speaking of battery life, this is where things get really interesting. The Ultra 2 is expected to house a larger 590 mAh battery, offering extended usage times even with GPS and continuous health monitoring enabled. But Samsung might have one more trick up its sleeve. Rumors suggest the possibility of solar charging capabilities, similar to Garmin's solar-powered smartwatches. Imagine your smartwatch recharging itself while you're out on a long hike. That's the kind of futuristic innovation we're here for. Of course, no Samsung smartwatch would be complete without its signature health and fitness tracking features. The Ultra 2 is reportedly set to introduce enhanced sensors for heart rate variability, blood oxygen levels, ECG monitoring, and even blood pressure tracking. But it doesn't stop there. Samsung is working on refining sleep tracking, offering deeper insights into your rest patterns along with personalized coaching to help you optimize your sleep quality. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the improved sports tracking, including advanced running dynamics that break down your ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and stride length. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, these insights can help you train smarter, not harder. But let's not forget the smart in smartwatch. The Ultra 2 will come with LTE connectivity, allowing you to make calls, send texts, and stream music without needing your phone nearby. NFC support means quick and secure payments via Samsung Pay and Google Wallet, while smart home controls will let you manage your Samsung devices right from your wrist. And yes, if you're a music lover, offline playback for Spotify and YouTube Music ensures you'll have your favorite tracks even when you're off the grid. Of course, the smartwatch market is fiercely competitive, and the Ultra 2 won't have an easy road ahead. With rivals like the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Garmin Enduro 2 bringing their A-game, Samsung will need to rely on its blend of premium design, feature-rich software, and deep ecosystem integration to stand out. But if the leaks and rumors hold true, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive wearables of the year. So, the real question is, will this be the smartwatch that finally convinces you to upgrade? With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.